Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 22nd of November afternoon analysis. All right, we just heard just a few minutes ago that President Biden just nominated Jerome J. Powell as again Fed chairman. So it will be his second time, and the first time it was all dovish, and recently he started to be some hawkish, some starting tapering and other kind of things. And we will just see maybe this time another Jay Powell. We will see. We will see coming days. All right. Actually, there is FOMC on Wednesday, and then he will just join that one as a chairman, and then we will see the decisions to be taken on that meeting. But right now, another case is spoken in the market. Another scenario is spoken in the market. That is another wave of COVID possible in United States. Let me just clarify that one. Like on first cases, Italy, Spain, they were on the verge of COVID-19. Then US started to see hikes. So it's starting kind of like first Europe, then US. So we are seeing that another wave happening in Europe in the next couple of months. Can we see, are we expecting to see another wave in US market? So what happens on this case, and if tapering starts, so COVID case and tapering at the same time? So everybody is speaking this scenario, but right now this is only just ifs. So there is no sign of that one. The deaths in US are getting less and less each day with the high vaccination rate. That's good news, at least. All right. Today there will be three charts as always. The first one is NASDAQ index of US, and German DAX index, and natural gas prices. So we will speak all about these indices, and then we will just check the levels. As you can see on the chart, DAX has broken these resistance level, which is 16,600 level, and right now aiming 16,750 level. That is the next resistance level for NASDAQ index. So we may see that one until to Wednesday evening, because after market close we will hear the news of FMC minutes. If we just hear a bigger taper than the previous one, we may see some decline in this one. The red trend line. Let me just show you why I just draw this red line, then you will understand me. From the beginning of October, if we don't count on the middle of October, just maybe like a one day dive in prices. After from the beginning of October, it's only rising. Just in here, just a kind of small correction, just a small one. But if we don't exactly 1 and 2, so the price is going up and up only. There is no correction. So some experts are saying that it's always like ups and downs. From this point, at least 500 points or something like that can be seen if FOMC minutes doesn't help this rise on Wednesday evening. Let me get closer. As you can see, even from here, from the November 10th, it's just going up in the last 12 day. days, it's just going up, and it is poised to reach to 16,750 level. And when it gets closer to those levels, it's going up fast, and it's happening too fast. If you just check RSI, as you can see here, it's above 70, and then that's not a good point for buying, but still people are buying. Especially Tesla and some other stocks, big stocks, are the hotspot for this increase. And Tesla, like after Elon Musk sold his stock shares, but just it was a short effect. Right now it's rising again, and the price is almost 1,150 level, getting closer to 1,200 levels again. All right, this was the NASDAQ. As I said, Wednesday is critical for NASDAQ, and on that one we may see a correction, and we may see a correction time arrives on Wednesday evening. All right, let's look at German DAX index.
You are ready to win with us, GAN Markets.
All right, we are on DAX index, and as you can see here, after the speech of German health minister, it started to drop, and right now it's just trying to rebound from the same level. Today as well, on Friday, it has tested 16,100 level, and then from that point it has rebounded. Some, not all gained all the losses, but some of the losses it has gained again, and from that point it has fallen again from the same point, almost like a 16,100 level. It's just jumping again, and right now it's having trouble on this resistance level. Right now the resistance level is 16,150. From that point, if it doesn't go higher, then we may see a rejection, and then we may see it's going down to 16K levels, and then we may see that one happening. All right, the important levels are like this. As you can see here are important levels, and the reason the cases in Europe and Germany especially not going down, at least that's are not terrific like the third wave, because like Germany was reporting around 1,000 people dead every day on the highest number death rates. Right now the cases are soaring, surging so high, and we may see those cases turning to that numbers in near future if they don't get well soon, because it's all started like that. First new cases rises, and then after a couple of days or 10-15 days later, those people don't recover, and some of them dies unfortunately, and then we see high number of deaths after some weeks. It happens same in Russia. First cases has risen, then deaths has risen. Even right now cases are dropping, not over 40,000 each day, but deaths are new deaths are over 1,200 each day in Russia. It's all because related, because a lot of people still are in hospital, and hospitalization in Germany as well so high, so it's all affecting. If we just see this high level of hospitalization in Germany, health minister said we may start first partial lockdown, and if that doesn't work and it doesn't help, then we will make full lockdown. Step by step they will try to overcome this problem. Alright, that was the news for Germany. As I said, right now it's getting being rejected some by some from 16,150 level if the rejection happens. So we will see another major drop until to 16K level. All right, let's look at natural gas prices. Our last chart is natural gas. Natural gas prices are on fall. Reason: the cold weather, expected cold weather, is not coming. Everybody was expecting like a really cold weather is on the door, but it's not happening. Only like in Europe, just some rain and then not a big deal of cold weather. It's not happening. We are experiencing the hottest November of recent years, maybe like a recent like a 10 years, 1 decade, and it is the hottest November. Christmas season is coming, but like there is no snow report, and then not something like that, and it's all affecting natural gas demand. Only one thing, and to skyrocket the price of natural gas is Russia. And right now there is a lot of problem between Europe and Russia. And if something happens between Russia and Europe, if Vladimir Putin threatens Europe with natural gas, then we may see a spike in the prices of gas, or a sudden weather change will affect the natural gas prices. But right now we see some fall, and this support level has been tested 1, 2, 3 times. This is the 4th time, and on the previous three attempts it has recovered from this point. We will see it will work again. It's just going up until to just $5 and then just coming back again. So if this support line 479, 475 support line doesn't work, then we will see more drops until to 450 level. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and then we will cover more charts with you. Have a nice and great day. Bye.